In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge audio clips different songs Suno AI. Suno AI doesn't currently include a full DAW-style timeline for stacking and arranging separate songs the way traditional music software does. You can still combine audio in a few ways, including Suno's extend and upload features and various remix workflows. However, the most reliable and flexible approach is to use an external audio editor, and that's what we'll focus on. First, download your songs from your Suno library. Open your library, locate each track you want to combine, click the three dots next to it, and choose Download. Save every clip you plan to use in a single, clearly labeled folder so you can find everything quickly. Giving files short, descriptive names helps a lot when you're arranging later. Whenever possible, keep the original quality to preserve the best sound. Next, open your preferred audio editing software. Popular choices include Audacity as a free option or professional tools like FL Studio and Ableton Live. Any editor that lets you place audio on a timeline will work. You don't need advanced production skills for this. You're simply organizing clips in sequence. Create a new project and get ready to bring your files in. Import your audio by dragging the downloaded songs into the editor's timeline. Arrange the clips in the order you want them to play. Trim away any unwanted sections like long intros, silence, or rough endings. To make transitions sound smooth, add fades. A short fade out at the end of one clip and a fade in on the next clip can eliminate clicks and reduce abrupt changes. For even smoother results, use a brief crossfade so the two clips overlap slightly. If you're aiming for a musical flow between songs, try lining up transitions on a strong beat. While you're auditioning transitions, adjust clip volume to keep levels consistent from one song to the next, and listen with headphones to catch any pops or sudden jumps. When you're happy with the sequence, export your final song. Choose MP3 if you want a smaller, shareable file, or WAV if you need the highest quality for archiving or further editing. Confirm your export settings, pick a file name and destination, and render the track. After export, play the file from start to finish to ensure the transitions and overall volume feel right. That's it. While Suno's extend upload tools and remix workflows can help in certain cases, using an external editor gives you the most control for clean professional merges.